Don't eat bread anymore. Prepare this easy, delicious, and healthy recipe. For this delicious healthy recipe, we will start by grating a large carrot. We must grate it on the fine part of the grater. In the meantime, tell me which country or city you are looking at so we can send you a special greeting in the next video. The greetings in this video are for Selena Bropla, who watches us from Liberia, and another greeting for Diana Dunn, who watches us from Jamaica. Thanks for always watching and enjoying our recipes. Once the carrot is grated, we will add it to a large container. We will also add half a cup of whole oats, 200 grams of cooked and shredded chicken, and we will season with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper. Mix very well to incorporate. Then add a bunch of finely chopped parsley. And we are going to mix very well to incorporate all the ingredients. Friends, this is a healthy way to eat. The best of all is that this recipe is rich in proteins and carbohydrates that will help us sustain ourselves for long hours. Now, we will add 3 eggs and mix again until we obtain a very compact mixture. When our dough looks like this, I will spread my hands with a little oil. This is so that the dough does not stick to my hand. Right away we take a little of the dough that we have prepared and we are going to shape it into a ball. Once the dough has this shape, we are going to make a hole in the center with the help of our fingers and add grated mozzarella cheese. You can add the stuffing of your choice, it can be ham or tuna. And we will proceed to close it in this way. I would like you to tell me how this recipe is known in your country. In my country it is known as healthy quips. If you have come this far looking at today's recipe, it means that you are liking it, so leave me in the comments, "I like quips," to send you a very special greeting. In a frying pan, add enough oil and let it heat. Once all our quips are done, we are going to fry them in a pan with hot oil. If you do not want to fry them with oil, to make them healthy you must take them to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. You can also take them to the air fryer at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. When they are golden, I am going to turn them on one side so that they brown on the other side. And now our healthy quips are ready. Remember friends, that if you want your quips to be as healthy as possible, you must make them in the oven or air fryer. If this is the first time you see one of our recipes, subscribe to our YouTube channel Sabroso's Tasty for more content. See you in the next friends, a hug.